Okay, we now have the function with the dollar bill signs, making that cell constant as we drag down. So let's just drag down and see that our formula is correct. We want that to still refer to B8, B7, B7. That's good. We have these funky non-integer values. So for that, what we want to do is we basically just want to use this function to not show the decimal places. So we're going to make that an integer. And I'm going to drag that formula down to 100 generations. And there we go. We see that we reached carrying capacity by generation 47. Now we just want to chart this. So I'm going to grab the highlight our generation column and our population size column and go to Insert, Chart, and what I want to create is a line chart, which it did automatically. I'm going to put that there. Ideally, we'd clean this up. One way to clean this up is just give it a good title, Logistic Growth. All right. Now we can explore the function by changing these parameters and see how this is the function, this line, and we can see how that function changes as we change the parameters. So for example, let's give it a smaller initial population size, say 10, all right? And we see this slow, nearly exponential growth at the beginning, and then that rate of growth slows down until finally we come close to the carrying capacity. And as we get to the carrying capacity, the rate of growth stops and the population is at a constant size, right? We could even make that smaller. Look something like that. We can increase the carrying capacity. We can increase the growth rate. We can decrease the growth rate. That's not very interesting. How about a small carrying capacity? How about a little bit bigger growth rate? How about a little bit bigger? All right. So that is better know a function. Any spreadsheet is a great tool for this. It's good to paste the function in there so that it's easy to see what you're doing. Define what your parameters are. Populate the parameters with initial values or values that you can explore, and then use the spreadsheet to create values of that function. And for this function, the values are going to change with each generation.